Very good. Next, how about 2?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20,
3,
3, 6, 9, 10, 12.
3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6,
3, 6, 9.
9 after 9, 12 after 12. Using 3, 6, 9, 10.
3, 6, 9, 12. 15,
Okay.
18,
Okay.
20.
20? 21?
31, 34, 40,
24?
34,
After 24?
27,
After, may practice ka wala? Did you memorize? Sure? Oh, bakit may merong poses from the top? 3,
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 27, 30,
correct. Next, 4.
4, 8, 15,
Hmm?
4, 8, 12, 12, 16, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 32, 40,
36,
36,
40, isa ka.
4, 4, 8, 10,
Ano
12,
4, 8, 10?
ay,
4,
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 32, 4, 38, 30,
36, 32, 36, 40, isa pa.
30,
You say, sige, sige.
4, 8, 10, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 20, 28, 32, 36, 40,
Very good. 5,
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50,
very good. 6,
6, 12, 16, 6, 12, 15,
18, 18,
6, 12, 18, 24, 24, 30, 36, 40. I'm gonna say
42.
Oh, is it?
42, so 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Go.
3, 6,
36,
6, 12, 16, 6, 12, 18, 24, 24, 32,
30.
30,
Hmm.
6, 12, 18, 24, 38, 36, 42, 42, 49,
48.
48,
54, 60.
55,
Isa pa. Nag-grade ka na, Walter? Wala. Nag-grade ka na. Okay, sige. 6,
6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 42, 48, 54,
very good. 7.
7, 12,
Ano 7, John?
ay, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, ay, 35, 35, 42, 42, 49, 49, 53,
6,
56,
49, 56.
56, 63,
Isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 35, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70,
Next, 8. Tama. 8.
8, 8, 18,
Ang 18. 8,
8, 16, 20,
24. Di ba ang pattern? 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Go.
8, 6, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 48, 48, 56, 56, 64, 64, 72,
Isa pa. Tama lahat. Pag isa ka.
8, 16, 24, 8, 8, 16, 8, 16, 24, 32, 8, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80.
You memorize, ha? Okay, next. 9. Isa pa. 9.
9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90,
Very good. 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Oh, why you keep saying 20? 100. Okay, so ano yung lesson natin kahapon? Di ba we talk about fraction? What are the two types of fraction, kuya? What are the two types of fraction?
Proper and improper.
Improper and improper. Can you please discuss to me what is the difference between the proper and the improper? What's the difference between the proper and the improper?
Proper is the numerator is lower than the denominator.
That's proper.
Improper?
Improper. Ano yung improper?
The numerator is higher than the denominator.
Bigger. The number at the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Higher.
It's not higher. Bigger. Okay, next. When we say proper fraction,
The numerator is lower than the
is smaller.
smaller
Smaller.
than the numerator.
Okay.
The denominator.
Denominator. Sige. So di ba kahapon, this one ha, if you are going to write kuya, I want you to write kuya na clear ha. I don't want you to write na parang nagmamadali ka, okay? So ibig sabihin, I want to see your writing na clear, okay ha? Di ba if you are going to write 7, parang you do this one, oh. I want to see the clear 7. I want to see this one. If you are going to write 1, you have two options. 1, or you will write this one. If you are going to write 2, you can write this 2. If you are going to write 3, this one. If you are going to write 4, 5. You are not going to do this one, no? This is your 5. You do that one, no? Okay, you do this one. 5, you go that one. 6, 7. Tapos, your 8 guys, you do that one, no? Parang you do that one. Clear na 8, tapos 9. Okay ha? That's the numbering. Sige. So, for this one, we will be going back, kuya, sige, discuss natin ha. So, our goal for today is dapat you know how to write in division ha, or you know how to solve in division. So, what did you observe to our paper, kuya? Our paper is maliit na lang. So, later, you will get a new paper ha. If si Ronnie na ang mag-tutor ha, you will say to her na, bring 3 bond papers ha. Okay, if maubos mo yan, you can So, we will start, kuya. I want you to solve for this one. Okay, 8 all over 9 plus 1 all over 9. Sige daw. Very good. Yan, ganyan pagsulat. If you are writing the plus, you do this one, Ganyan, 1, 2. Clear na plus. Okay, 8 plus 9, 8 all over 9 plus 1, 9. Sige daw. Okay, 9 plus plus 1, 9. Sige, okay lang. Continue. 1, 9. Sige. Continue. So, saan kayo ang first matitingnan? You have to look at the denominator. Oh, is the denominator the same? Hindi.
Same.
The same. So what you're going to do, since they are the same, you are going to copy. Very good, Nats. After that one, very good. Oh, 9 over 9. What's the final answer?
No, I won.
1 is equals to 1, ha? If the number on top and the number at the bottom is the same, the answer is 1.
I thought that will mean just improper fraction mo.
No. The answer is equals to 1. Equals 1. Dito ba? Dito sulat equals 1. Sulat equals 1. Okay, next. How about this one, kuya? 7 all over 5 minus 3 all over 5. Sige daw, can you please try to do this one, kuya? 7/5 minus 3/5. What is this? This letter S?
Ano?
Okay na. Sige. First, dahil ka magtitingin, denominator. Are they the same? Hindi. The same. So, we copy lang. Next. This one, can we reduce this number? Hindi. Hindi na, so 40. Very good. Next, kuya. So, it's easy lang, di ba, kuya, ang plus and minus, right? Pero, I will provide you another example, kuya, na kung saan you have to reduce na. So, for example, we will have in here 2, a plus... Okay, sige daw, do this one. Wala na nagagana. Try to choose this one, the other one. Ay lang, sorry. Sige. Di gagana. Okay, next. 4, 8. Wala din nagagana. 4, 8. Is that working? This one, kuya. This one, you go at the top, kuya. Whatever you ask, you have to ask for 1 ball pen, kuya. Tapos, you have to add 3 bond paper. So, you have extra paper. Go, kuya. Balik agad na. Tapos, you say to Ronnie, kuya, na mag-memorize siya ng multiplication table. Ha? Go.
Ulitin natin, kasi mga mga kasi kung sila kababayan natin, 11 kami, 11 din sila. Kaya lang yung 10, nagbuka. Isa na lang natira, so 12 na lang kami. Yung 10 namin, so 12. Walang guro. Tara, wala po. Okay, wala lang. Dapat nag-guro kasi 13. Sabi ko na baka ito pati ito nawawala. Kaya ako sinasabi ito. Nung sila lang kami, sino nag-guro ng guro? Sabi niya, ito kasi guro. Wala na nag-guro nga eh. Bakit nung ginawa nila ng yung 3, pinipilit nila na mayroong guro. So, the question is yung number of guro.
Hindi ka ba?
Yan ba mahirap intindihin? Nung kami ito sila lang, tumayo ang dito sa sabi niya, pagpapilitan kami mga ganito, pero wala ng quorum eh. Bakit nung sila gumawa sila ng ganito, 12 lang sila, kung ano mga kapiro na ginagawa, kesyo apilo versus kuko, hindi po ninyo magagamit yun eh. Okay lang siguro, naisip mo na nila, kaya may paliwanag natin ako dito eh. Sila mismo ang gumawa sila ng quorum, kahit 12 lang kami, pero pinipilit nilang may quorum, kahit 12 sila, pagka gusto nila. Pagka yung ayaw nila, wala kaming quorum. Pagka yung gusto nila, wala kaming may quorum. Yan po, dapat nilang intindihin yung pag-ubus ng gagawin sa kanila. Diba? Ang puro pa lagi 13. Mga kababayan, magyayari nilang 12. Kung halimbawa hindi sa amin, nasa ibang bansa. Tandaan mo lang, yung trend na na-establish ko sa Abilino versus Kuiko. At yan po ay amin, panahon ni Prabing Filon, dahil apat po yung wala, 20 na lang po yung basis mo na computation ng quorum, 1
Working yan dyan, na ball pen? Sige. So, for this one, kuya, we will be back sa ating discussion. Sige na, 2/8 plus 4/8. Dito kuya, at the top, use this please. Yan, para I can see clearly. 2/8 plus 4/8. Sige daw. Very good, ang 8 mo ha. Nag-improve na. Ang plus sign mo na lang. Sige. 6 all over 8. Can we reduce it? By what number?
6.
Sure. Try to skip count with 6 daw. Kung matamaan si 8. Di ba hindi?
Ay, yeah.
6, 12. So hindi na tamaan si 8. So we cannot use 6. Next.
3.
Try to skip count with 3.
6, 9.
Oh, natamaan si 8. Wala. Wala. So we cannot use 3.
8, ay 2.
2. Very good. So divided by 2. Can you see clearly pa?
Yeah.
Or-
Sige lang. 2, 4, 6.
Okay. So, it's 3/4. Oh, that's how we do it, kuya. Next, isa pa. How about this one? I have in here, try natin ito, kuya. 4 all over 9 minus 3 all over 9. Okay. So, can we reduce it? Hindi.
By 1.
There's no such thing na by 1. Actually, we can divide it by 1. Pero, di ba? 1 divided by 1, it's 1. 9 divided by 1, it's 9. So, it's the same lang ulit. So, okay. So, multiplication na tayo, kuya. So, for this one, we have 5 all over 6 multiplied by 3/4. Sige daw, what's the answer po? Ayos ang 4. What is that? 7? Put a hole sa 4. Now there's a hole. Oh, yan. You do that one. Sige. Excuse me.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
6, 12, 18, 24. Sige, 15 and 24. Can we reduce it? Hindi. Sure?
Wait lang.
Sige, try to find it out. What number? Di ba, what did I told you? If you memorize the multiplication table, automatically, you can determine kuya if the number on the denominator or numerator is divisible. O try to think of a number that is divisible to 15 and 24. Sige daw.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
Oh, 15 is mentioned. Next, try to confirm. Si 24. 15, 18,
21,
21. Oh, ibig sabihin, 15 and 24 are both divisible by?
But
Very good. Sige, 15 divided by 3, 24 divided by 3, go. That's how we do it. Okay, isa pa ha. Okay, so for this one, it's not 5, iba na naman tayo. Try natin kuya ang 8. 8 all over 9 multiplied by 7 over 8. Sige down. 7 over 8. Ay, ayos ang 7 ha. What is that? Is that P? Ha? Oh, yan. Extend it. Next, all over 8. Sige, multiply. Very good. 56 and 72. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Hindi ka.
By what number?
3. By 3.
3 is a small number, yeah. Try to think of another number that's big. Yung malaki.
100.
It's not 100. 56 and 72. Try to skip count daw, be. Mga different numbers. Try to think of a number. Guess a number.
13.
13? You are going to skip count by 13? You can do it. Sige daw, skip count daw by 13.
13, 26, 39, 42.
52. 39 plus 13, 52. So we cannot use 13. 1 to 10 na po yan. Try to think of a number sa 1 to 10.
Ito 13.
Ha?
Ito, bigger number.
Bigger number. It doesn't mean na magsabi ko na bigger number more than 10. Ibig sabihin, 6 to 10. Try ka doon. Mag-isip ka. The question, if you are going to use 6, makakaabot ka ng 72? Hindi. Hindi. If you use 7, makakaabot ka ng 72? Hindi. Up until 70 lang. Ibig sabihin, 70 plus 7 is 77. So it's more than 72. Try to use 8. Teacher is giving you a hint.
It's 8.
Oh, try mo na to confirm if it is divisible by 8.
8, 16, 20,
20 and 20.
24.
24. Ilan tayo? 8.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 48, 56.
Oh, 56 is mentioned. Next.
56,
56.
56, 64, 72.
Oh, 72 is mentioned also. Ibig sabihin, 56 and 72 is both divisible by 8.
8.
Oh, how much? You didn't memorize your multiplication table ba? Nag-practice ka kagabi or at night? Mag-practice ha? Dapat from time to time, if teacher Charles will say, kuya 8 times 7, automatically the answer will pop out ha? Immediately ha? I don't want like ano pa matagal. I want immediately. If teacher Charles will say 8 times 7, you will say 56. Diretso. Ha? Sige. So this one, 7 and 9, can we reduce it? Hindi.
We can.
By what number gabi?
Cannot.
No, we cannot. You say,
No.
okay, sige. Isa pa ha? Okay. So, okay na tayo sa multiplication ha? You know how to do it na? Okay. At this point of time, kuya, teacher will teach you sa division ha? Listen in here. What? Tingin dito. Okay. So, we have in here, kuya, 8, 9, or 8, 9, divided by 3, 3, 4. Okay. So, this one, kuya, the technique in here is ganito. Di ba, you have a fraction sign in here. This one, if you are going to put, listen, look in here. If you are going to solve, kuya, you do this one. 8 times 4, the answer is you are going to put it at the top. Next, if you are going to solve, kuya, for 9 times 3, you are going to put it at the bottom. Sige daw? Sige daw. Give me the answer daw. Follow the, the respective na color.
Times or divided?
Times. Even though this is division, since I taught you the technique, it will become multiplication. Sige daw. Dito na lang sa bagong paper. Dito sa, okay, para clear. You're looking at the, technique. 8 all over 9. Next, divide 3 all over 4. Equals. Sige daw, solve for 8. 8 times 4.
Ay,
Sige, it's not 8 times 3. Di ba what I told you? You have to follow that yellow line. 8 times 4, you put it at the top, the answer. O, 8 times 4. Do not look for, do not ganyan. Try to calculate it now with your mind.
Eight, 16, 20,
Ano, 20?
8, 16, 24, 32.
Very good. O, 8 times 4 is equals to 32. Next. Very good. This one ha. Di ba you have an answer na in here, kuya? 32 all over 27. What kind of fraction is this, kuya? Proper? Improper? Improper. Very good. Pag once ganyan, kuya, na nakuha mo is improper, that is not the correct final answer, ha? The correct final answer is, it should be in proper fraction or in mixed number. So, I will talk you, ha? Or I will teach you pala, kuya, the mixed number. So, for the mixed number, kuya, is just this one. Example, 1 all over 2. Ibig sabihin, there's a big number and a fraction number. Okay? So, for this one, kuya, 32 all over 27. Di ba I taught you na how to divide? Okay, try to divide on this one. 28 divided by 2. What's the step 1 gani? Ask.
Can you help?
Nakalimutan. Okay.
No, ask, can you help?
Ay, no. This one kuya, oh. Step 1. What is step 1? Step 1, you have to ask. Step 2. Anong step 2 gani? Put the number on top.
Ay, step 4.
Step 3. Anong step 3?
Multiply.
Very good. Remember mo pa. Step 3, that's multiply. Anong step 4?
Subtract.
Very good. Subtract. After subtract, step 5.
Do it all over again.
Subtract. Next. Step 5. Ano step 5?
Do it all over.
Bring down.
Everything.
Bring down. Bring down. Step 6. Ano step 6? Repeat
Repeat.
the process. Oh, sige. Erase lagi siya. Subtract. Step 5. Ano yung step 5? Bring down. Step 6. Repeat.
And then ito, delete.
Sige na. Sige. Sino yung i-ask mo? That one. Sige daw. Hindi. Try ko sa ito ni. Para malaman ko. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. Next. After ask, what's next? Put the number on top. Nalagay mo naman. Multiply. Very good. So, put a line. Put a line. Under 2, put a line.
Under 2, put a line. Ayaw.
Subtract. 2 minus 2. Oops, do not put 0 na, di ba?
Ayaw.
Okay, next. Bring down 8. Next. Repeat the process. 8
Times 2.
divide. 8 divided by?
8 divided by 2.
How much?
Ayaw.
Keep count.
2, 4, 6, 8.
How much?
4.
4. Very good. Put 4 at the top. Next. 4.
Times 2.
How much? 4 times 2.
4.
4. Very good. 4 times 2, 4?
Ay,
8. Put 8. Sige. Next. Subtract. 8 minus 8? 0. So, what's the final answer? 14. That's how we do it, ha? Okay. So, good. So, for this one, kuya, di ba we have this one, 32 and 27, tama? So, if we are going to solve for 32 and 27, kuya, I will teach you, kuya, the TAI method.
ay, tayo na to.
I'll teach you the TAI method. Okay, ha? 32 all over 27. So, for this one, kuya, I will teach you a new method. This is what we call, what happened to this one, man?
Copy it.
Okay. For this one, kuya, is I will teach you the TAI method. Okay.
Kaya yung isang to.
Okay, TAI method. Okay, or simply means, trial and error. Okay, ha? So, but kuya, you have to test, kuya, the number. Ha? So, sino yung i-test mo, kuya? You have to test 27. So, this one, if you are going to divide this one, kuya, or to do the trial and error, saan nilalagay si 32? You have to put 32 inside. 32, tapos 27 outside. Ha?
The smaller one always.
No, the denominator is always at the outside. The numerator always inside. Okay, ha? So, this one, since sa labas si 27, kuya, how many digits number did you see? 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, kuya, it's not time, kuya, or it's inappropriate kapag 3 divided by 27. 3 divided by 27, pwede hindi.
Divided mo.
No, ibig sabihin, if I have 3 in here, did you see 27? Wala. So, 3 divided by 27 cannot be. So, this time, who will join 3? See? 2. It will become 32 divided by 27. So, this time, kuya, how many 27 can you see sa 32?
1.
1, kuya. So, that's the purpose of trial and error. So, the trial and error, kuya, has a rules. So, the rule number 1 is this one, ha? Okay. Rule number 1. Rule number 1, you can test 1, 2, 9 only. Okay, ha? Rule number 2.
But why?
That's it. I will explain to you the reason. Yeah. Rule number 2, you can test only the denominator. Sino lang yung pwede mong i-test?
27.
Denominator, which is sino? Si 27. What's rule number 3? Rule number 3, if you test, make sure it will not go beyond the numerator. Ano ito kaya? If you test, sino kaya ang i-test natin? Si 27. If you test, make sure it will not go beyond the numerator. What is our numerator? 32. So for this one, kuya, if you have to test, di ba rule number 1, you can test 1 to 9 only. So this one, sino yung i-test mo? 27 only have with respect to 32. So try natin, 27 times, give me a number from 1 to 9.
1.
Aside sa 1, kasi already know. 2. If it is 2, kuya, 2 times 7. 2 times, that's what I like. Ibig sabihin, if I ask you a specific number to be multiplied, you give the answer right away. Huh? 2 times 7, that's 14. Where are we going to put the 1? Okay, above 2. 2 times 2.
2 times 2. 2. Ay, 4.
4. Okay, 2 times 2, that's 4. Pero you have 1 na tatata. 5. Oh, it's 54. Did we follow the rules? Wala. Di ba? We break it, di ba? If you test, make sure it will not go beyond the numerator. 54 is greater than 32. Ibig sabihin, 54 goes beyond sa 32, kuya. So, it's X. So, the only option, kuya, is 1. Where are we going to put the 1? Put the number on top. So, you have to put in here 1. 1 times 27.
1 times 27 is 27.
Very good. So, you put 27 in here, tapos you subtract. 2 minus 7.
5.
Cannot be, because 7 is greater than 2, di ba? So, 2 will borrow. Kasi saan siya borrow? Ha?
What happened? But, di ba, 27? It can amount to 5 man.
Hindi. This one, kuya. This one, ha? Logic. If I have 2 pesos, tapos I have, what's the English of utang gani?
Give.
For example, I have 2, ha? Tapos I ought to give you 7 pesos. Is it enough, kuya, the 2 pesos? It will suffice you? Di ba, I have 7 pesos na utang to you. What if I will only give you 2 pesos? Di ba, I have remaining pa na balance, which is 5. So, 2 minus 7 cannot. So, ano yung gagawin mo? Si 2 will borrow 2, 3. So, ilan ang i-borrow nito? Only 1. O, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Ay, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Oh, saan nilalagay si 2? You put in here 2. Saan nilalagay yung i-borrow mo na 1? In here, oh. It will become 12. Oh. Ay, hindi ka naturuan ito at your school? You don't know how to do the, Yeah, you forgot. I'm sure lang.
Well, I'm absent.
No, you're absent all the time? Oh, this one. Sige ha, practice muna tayo. Training muna tayo dito sa isa pa. Okay, this one ha. So, for example, this one kuya, I have 23 minus 19. This one, 3 minus 9. Pwede hindi.
I delete.
O not B. Because the number at the bottom is bigger, kuya. So, ibig sabihin, bawal. So, what will happen to 3? 3 will borrow to 2.
2.
Okay, ilan lang yung pwede na i-borrow sa 2?
1.
1. So, 2 will become?
1.
1. Si 3, kuya, will become?
4.
13. Di ba this is the number? Yung i-borrow mo na 1 will be put at the front.
I remember now.
13 minus 9. I have 13 pesos. Di ba, I have utang to you 9. Oh, what will happen if I will give you 13 pesos?
I will give you the change.
You will give me the change. How much is the change?
3. I 4.
4. Oh, that's how it works, kuya. So, it's 4. 1 minus 1.
1. I 0.
0. Oh, so ibig sabihin, I have 4 pesos na change. It's the same also this one, so we are solving. Sa ginasolve natin. Di ba 2 kuya, it will become 12. O, 12 minus 7. I have 7 na utang to you. I will pay you 12 pesos.
I will give you no change.
Oh, grabe ko naman. You will give me 5
5
pesos. Oh, so that's 5. Oh, this one kuya, you cannot no longer process this one ha. But instead, remember the format of putting this one into a mixed number ha. The number on top should be the big number. It should become 1. The number at the bottom should be the number on top. It will become 5. The number at the side will become the number at the bottom. So 1, 5 all over 27. Sige ha. So for today na task, you need to master this one ha. Dividing kuya, making it into a mixed number. Sige, try doon natin dito kuya.
That's why
11 all over 2.
That's why my friend, when I see a fraction ba na question sa MacBook,
You are not answering it kuya?
no, I'm answering it.
Well, yun matama mo din siya.
No.
Oh. Pero what, continue talking.
Because I, the fraction like something like 10,
Mm.
20,
Oh.
1,
Oh.
and then times 20,
Mhm.
10.
Mhm. Well, for example, ganyan, next.
And then I would just do the simple way that teacher has taught me. But then I didn't know about that one because my friends would always do the extra ba.
So ibig sabihin, it's your redemption arc. On the first day of the class, kuya, you will show to him what you have learned ba. Okay? So 11 all over 2. Make it into a mixed number. The same process this one na, oh. The same process.
Baby did it talk.
Sige daw. Same process 11 over 2. Dikit na. Di ba that 11 over 2 is a improper fraction. So since this is improper fraction, you have to make it into a mixed
Fraction.
fraction. So you have to do it. Your writing should be small. Grabe ka, malaki. It's so big. Make it small lang. Okay? Di ba what did I told you?
Ano?
The number, the numerator should be always in the inside. Oh, sige, next.
Let's just support ours man.
First, you have to ask. Ay, nakalimutan na naman ang step. Step 1. Ask.
D-trap.
Sige na.
Ask.
Sige daw. Say it to me so that I can know, kuya. If you know. Sige daw.
2 divided
Ano
by
2 divided by? If you're going to be, kuya, from the inside.
1 divided by 2.
Oh, 1 divided by 2. Pwede hindi.
Bawal.
So, from 1, it will become
11.
11. 1 will join 1. So, 11 divided by 2, how much?
11 divided by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 4, 5.
Sure ka? 5?
Bawal man the other
Very
way.
good. Correct. Oh, so it's 5. Oh, next, multiply. 5 times 2.
5 times 10.
10. Subtract. So, since 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, you have to make this one into a mixed number. Make it into a mixed number. What did I taught you, gani? Balik. Oh, this one, oh, put it in here. The number on top is the big number.
Ay, oo.
The number on top is the big number. Next. The number at the bottom is the number on top. Di gaya mo sa akin. What's your number?
Ay.
1. Next. The number at the side will be at the bottom. Yun so lupit. Isa pa ha. Okay. You have to master this one. Dapat I will not teach you na. You're very big na ba? Dapat you can easily understand ko the lesson. Sige daw. 23 divided by 4. Sige daw. Ayos ang 4. Yan. Step 1.
Ask. 20, 24, 8, 6, 12.
4, 8, 12.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 20,
It's
20.
5.
Oh, yeah.
5 times 4.
20.
Make it a mixed number na because there's no any number na.
No.
Mali?
Ay.
Di ba the number at the bottom will be the number at the top?
Ay, oh.
So it will become 5, tapos 3. What is this 3? Oh, bakit meron niya siyang excess? It looks like B. Sige, isa pa. This one, there are cases kuya na the given is just like this one. What is happening with this one man? It's always copying the okay. Sige, there are instances na meron ganito kuya. 28 all over 7. Sige daw. Sige daw kuya. Solve it daw. 28 all over 7. Make it into a mixed number. Ayos, ano yun siya? What is that?
7.
Make sure ha, nabalik teacher ha.
27, 14, 21, 28. 4, 8.
Use 7 na, skip ka na lang. Di ba 4 times 7? It's the same as 7 times 4. You go the easy way, easy route. O, 7 times 4. O, 28, good 28. O, 28 times 28.
0.
O, 0, what's the final answer?
The number on the bottom.
If the answer is 0, the final answer only is 4. There's no mixed number. You cannot 4, 0, you cannot do this one. It's only 4. If the answer is 0. Pero for example, if this is 1, so what's the mixed number? If this is 1, example. Sige daw. Try to make it a mixed number. Ulit na kinig mo. Di ba the number on top is the big number? Why is 7 is the big number?
No, it's 4. This
No,
one.
that's 4. O, 7 yan. Saan ang 4?
4.
That one, very good. Sige ha. Okay, this one. Sige. It's easy lang.
Okay.
This one. Number 1. 113 all over 12. Make it an atomic number. Make your writing small ha and readable ha. Bantay lang ha. I want it a very very nice na handwriting.
I hit the table.
Oh. Next.
12, 1, 12, 11, 12, 13.
Kuya, what's next? Did you try to ask na?
Yeah.
Say it to me so that I can hear it.
12, 1, 12,
Ano
11.
12, 1, 12, 1? Sige daw.
12,
Oh.
1.
1 divided by 12?
Oh, 12.
1 divided by 12. Pwede hindi. Bawal. Next.
12 by 11.
11 divided by?
11 divided
Oh,
by
ang pag mag-read ka, always inside. Pag ganyan. Sige daw. Ulit. 11 divided by 12. Pwede hindi. Dili. So, si 3 now will join to 11. It will become?
130.
Oh, 113 divided by 12. You have to use, sino yung gagamitan mo? You have to use, sino gagamitin siya? Trial and error na method. Sige daw. Sino yung i-test mo gani? You can test 1 to 9 only. You can test only sino? Si denominator. Who's the denominator?
12.
Si 12. If you test, make sure it will not go beyond the numerator. So if you test kuya, make sure na it will not go beyond 113. Test daw si 12. Take a guess, any of the number from 1 to 9.
9.
Sige na solve. 12 times.
6.
Oh, try. Try it na ay eh.
9 pala.
Oh, try.
No,
So, kung hindi ganyan. Use your, ano ba? Use your paper. You put this one on 9 ang test mo. Or you do this one. Para madali.
Counting is faster.
Hindi. It's not easy. You do that one. Looking pa sa paper teacher. Sige na. 9 times 2.
18.
18. Next.
9 times 1 is 9. And 10.
O, saan na mas easy?
Counting.
Oh, the question. Di ba up until 9 lang? Oh, what is the answer? Does 108 goes beyond 113? Hindi. Oh, ibig sabihin, this is the correct answer because it doesn't go beyond sa 113 ha. By the way, meron pala akong isa pa na rule, nakalimutan ko ya. Huwag ka magalala. It's easy naman. Wait lang. Okay, rule number 4. Make sure that number is near to the numerator. Oh, ibig sabihin, is 108 near to 113?
Yeah.
Yes. So the final answer is this one. So, saan yung ilalagay mo? Di ba you already asked? What number are you going to put? Wait, at the top. What number?
All.
Anong all?
8.
See? 9. Because you test 9.
Ay, oh.
Put 9. Oh, 9 times 12. Here's the good thing. 9 times 12, it will give you directly the answer.
I didn't get it, but I understand.
Oh, sige. Uy, pangit ng 8. O, sige, 113 minus 108. Bantay, magkamali pa ha. 113 minus 108. 3 minus 8, pwede hindi.
But I didn't.
So, ano yung gagawin ni 3?
Borrow.
Borrow saan?
1.
1 will become?
0.
0. Next, 3 will become?
13.
Oh, 13. 13 minus 8.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Oh. Huwag na lagyan, di ba? Kapag 0, in here, do not put na. Oh, remove the 0. Yan. Oh, make it into a mixed number.
The number on top is
Okay, big number, tapos?
12, top.
The number at the bottom will be the number on top.
Ayaw.
Always forgot. Oh, 12. The number at the side will be the number at the bottom. Sige, isa pa ha. Because you didn't get it. This one number 2. Got it ka dyan. Sige, sige daw. 19 all over 2. Sige, 2. Process it.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18 times 2. 32.
Uy, 19 divided by 2. 18? You provided the answer. 19 divided by 2, how much?
18.
It's not
Ay,
18.
19 divided by 2?
Oo.
Ay, divided.
Bakit ka nag-multiply? 19 divided by 2. Sige, put 2, 19. Oh, 19 divided by 2. Keep down.
8.
Oh, it's not 8. It's not 8.
9.
9, very good. 9 times 2. That's the answer, 18. You put the number on top. 18, sino 18?
19.
Oh, 19 minus 18.
1.
1. Oh, make it into a fixed number. Bantay magkamali pa ha.
Top number.
Correct. Next. Very good. Isa pa. Okay, number 3. 36 all over 10.
I'll finish this on.
Faster na. 36 all over 10. Make it into a proper ha na writing. Mali naman mo. Diba? Ano? What is this? Is this letter B?
Yeah.
Ayos ha. Properly. Yan. That's what I like. Oh, sige. 36. Read. Ibasahin mo. Para marinig ko ang answer mo.
36.
36 what?
Divided by 10.
Oh, 36 divided by 10. How much? 3. Very good. Why did you choose 3, kuya? Why you didn't choose 4?
Ay, 4.
Why you didn't choose 4?
10, 9, 10, 20, 30.
The question, why you didn't choose 4 lagi? 10, 20, 30, 40.
Why 40? Because it's 31. 36.
Oh, it's the same, di ba sa rules? Dapat it should not go beyond 36. That is why you have to choose 3. But 3 times 10.
Please, Lord.
Correct. Oh, wait lang. Kulang. This one, 6 and 10. Di ba we can reduce this one? By what number? 6 and 10.
3.
Try to skip count sa ating matamaan si 10.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, both of them were mentioned. So it's divisible by 2. Do not include 3 ha. Si 6 and 10 lang i-divide.
But at the end, I will include 3 as
No. Oh, at the end you have to include the 3. Very good. 6 ulit.
2, 4, 6.
Oh. Next.
3 times.
Oh, where's 3? Very good. Okay, isa pa. Number 4. Use trial and error in here ha. 75 all over 12.
I will do all of that?
No, this is the last. Okay, si ano na naman ang next.
Thank you, Lord.
Did you feel tortured, kuya?
No, maybe, sometimes.
Sige, answer na. 75 divided by 12.
It's better than school. 2, 12, 7. 1, 7.